Okay, so it will not tell that to do festival, or example to do the any religious festival, any particular religious festival. So the government will not encourage like that, or it will not discourage any religion, or it will not encourage any religion. So that's why that country is called as a full secularism country. Okay, so religion should not be disturbed, and religion should be completely separated from the state. State means nothing but here country. So the ruling, the government should be separated from the religion. And so, okay, just to move forward. So here, yes, this is given that the explanation. So India is also the one of the greatest secularism country in the world. But here, every people are giving the equal rights. They are called as the fundamental rights. We have seen this one. So fundamental rights are the equal to all people, irrespective of their religion. There is no religion differences, or caste differences, or race differences, or region differences. So the fundamental rights are given to all people equally. Okay, that is the greatness of our constitution. So, but here, one thing was there. What is that means? You can follow any religion you want. You can change any religion you want, or you are interested not to follow any religions, means that's also not, that nothing matter in front of government. Okay, you can follow or not follow any religion. So that does not belongs to any government authorities. That is in the formal laws. So the laws will not be made based on religions. So that shows that equality. Okay, and also the religious freedom. So we have this fundamental right also is there. Religious freedom is there. So religious freedom nothing but, so we can follow any kind of religion we want. So the government will neither encourage nor discourage any particular religion. So they can follow any kind of religion we want. Okay, and also we have this right to freedom also. You can go through any parts of the country you want. You can visit any temple, you can visit any church around the total parts of the world. You can visit any mosque or Makkah or anything. You can Hindus or Muslims or anything. So around the parts of India, around the corners of India, you can visit any place you want. Okay, there is no government restrictions. So that is called as the complete the secularism is there in our country. Okay, we can tell proudly that we are following the secularism. Okay, so can you think of a recent incident from any part of India in which secular ideals of the constitution were violated and persons were persecuted and killed because of their religious background? So this is just one small question. So recently, any violations are there in the constitution? Violations are there according to this constitution. Example, suppose recently, if you see this Bangalore. So if you see here in the Bangalore, we can see this Bangalore violence. That is 3 days back. What is the matter here means, one MLA was there. MLA is having some relative, one friend, or just follower of one MLA. So he has kept one post in the social media that is against the Muslims. Then immediately all the Muslims, okay, they have attacked on this MLA house. Not only these Muslims, even this some of the Hindus also, as the MLA is violated, MLA and his follower is violated this post, violated that means they are involving directly on the religions. So immediately the Hindus also, some of the Hindus also, they have attacked on MLA's house. Okay, so but this was kept based on this was kept by one of the relative of this MLA, but actually MLA also is having some some relation with that. Okay, so that's why immediately the even including Hindus and Muslims, they have combinedly they have attacked on the MLA quarters and followers. Why means they are so indirectly he is involving in the religious matters. So that's why the incident was nearly some uh, 10 to 15 persons were killed and nearly 300 persons are injured. So there are some incidents are there like that. Not only this one. So if you see in the any other incident which is happened in our country means. So one more thing is in the Delhi in the year 2017 or 2018. In the year 2018, one incident was happened. What does that means? Some of the uh, African people are working in Delhi. Okay, how we are going to America for job purpose like that? The South Africa peoples, they are coming. The Nigeria peoples are coming for employment purpose in India. So there some of the peoples are working in Delhi, but immediately some of our Indians they have shown down some discrimination against these African people, and immediately African people, some of the group of people, so they have raised a demonstration against the discrimination. Means they have went for strike against the Indians who are showing this discrimination that is based on color. So our Indians only showing the difference on the African people who are working in India. Okay, so that is also one of the violation of the fundamental rights. Okay, so these are the some of the incidents. So if you have any incidents means you can tell later. Next, just to move forward. Yes. So here in the February 2004, France passed a law banning students from wearing any conspicuous religious or political slogan, signs or symbols such as Islamic headcrafts, okay, the Jewish skull cap or the large Christian crosses. This law has encouraged a lot of resistance from immigrants uh, who are mainly from the former French colonies of Algeria, Tunisia, and Morocco. In 1960s, the French has faced a large shortage of workers and therefore had provided visas for these immigrants to come and work in the country. So the daughters of these migrants often wear uh, head carves and while attending to the school. So wearing of, however, these the passing of this new law, they have been expelled from their schools for wearing these head scarves. So what is the meaning here means the French is there. So French what he did means so French country is there. Actually, French is having the shortage of laborers. Okay, they want excess of labor to their country to work in the fields and also to in the companies, factories like that. But there is a shortage of labor is there. So, but here most of the peoples are not attending to not going for France because here their religious matters are going on, mainly the Christians. Okay, but that's why to avoid this one, so the French government want more laborers from around the world, mainly from the colonies. Colonies nothing but the countries which are suffered under colonial rulers, that is European countries rulers. So they want the labor from that. Why the labor is required? Because their country is not having any laborers. Okay, they are that is called shortage of workers and laborers. So for attracting these laborers, government has banned one thing, that is the students, mainly banning the students from wearing of religious caps, okay, religious signs or symbols. Example, if you take this Islamic, so heads head head scarf, so it is called just a head scarf, and the Jews also is there. Jews means one of the Christians, so they also going to wear this skull cap, okay, or next to the large Christians crosses. Christian crosses also will be avoided. And while going to the school, so they must not wear any religious symbols or religious clothes or religious any any form of things which are showing this religion. So that should be avoided. For what purpose? So that shows that they are giving importance for all religions equally, so that other countries, other countries laborers also can come easily and they can stay in the country as they are following the secularism. So this is one of the incident. Okay. So next, just we move forward. So yes, so this is the end of your chapter. So here this is one of the exercises there. Afterwards you can see this. Yes, and one more important thing is, whenever you have free time, so gather these notes. Okay, you can download the PDFs from the Vedantu or any of these Byju's solutions. Okay, NCERT solutions will be there. So download these and these solution so that you can prepare for exams. Okay, so from this one, so this is about the secularism, understanding secularism. Okay, so being a India is a religious country, but we are following the greater secularism. Okay, that is the greatness of our country. Not only this one, even this America, France, even Russia. So most of the countries are, they are following this secularism. Okay, so okay, just